In this video, we'll guide you through the replacement of the 24-volt power supply. Remove the protective weather cap on top of the charger to access the lock. Use the provided key to unlock and open the charger's front panel. Remove the front panel if necessary for easier access while working on the charger. Unfasten the safety screws and internal plastic cover, then place to one side. The power supply can be found here. Unfasten both the top and bottom cable connectors. The power supply is mounted on a DIN rail and can be easily removed using a flathead screwdriver. Secure the new power supply on the DIN rail and refit the cable connectors. Then, refit the internal plastic cover and safety screws. If you have removed the front panel, refit and reconnect to the charger. Close the front panel and lock in place. Remember to refit the protective weather cap once the charger is locked. When powered up, complete a test charge to ensure the charger is functioning correctly. You have now successfully replaced the 24-volt power supply.